1942 Harley Davidson WLA. No, don't get on the bike yet. Don't get on the bike yet.
Don't get it?
No. I want to show. This bike is completely restored with just about to be 3 miles on it. Original engine, both matching belly numbers. You got the black exhaust on there, white walls, black with the tan, and I mean the paint is. This is a beautiful bike. I'm not going to go on and on about it, but 12 volt. You see the engine number there? I have a picture of that, as well as the both belly numbers, which will be on the listing. The only thing is this seat is kind of wearing a little bit. That's the only thing, so we got a little towel to sit on it while we just a quick little back and forth. I don't want to put any more mileage on it. But yeah, if you want to fire it up. Yeah, you can use the towel. Use a towel. It's from the crotch. It's spent a lot of time, you know, hanging out. There's all fresh fluids, new battery. Could be here for a while.
Thanks.
Oh, wow. It's smooth, it's quiet. This is the one. Oh, I'm ready when you are, yeah. Don't go too crazy. Nice and easy. Yeah. Be careful. I decided to relieve the pressure of moving it out under camera watch. Let him get his bearings in order and everything on the bike. And I guess I really just want to show you that it does run, drive, and move and whatnot. Yeah, take it easy. $19.42.